The coronavirus has now claimed nearly 10,000 lives across the United States. President Trump and top health officials warn we are in for a tough week. Nikole Killion is at the White House.
This is going to be the hardest and the saddest week of most Americans' lives, quite frankly. This is going to be our Pearl Harbor moment, our 9/11 moment.
The Surgeon General implored the public to do its part to flatten the curve as the U.S. braces for the coronavirus crisis to climax.
I will not say we have it under control, Margaret. That would be a false statement. We are struggling to get it under control, and that's the issue that's at hand right now.
While most of the country is under stay-at-home orders, a handful of states are not.
We'll do more as we need to, listening to our public health officials.
Some governors warned they could be out of critical supplies this week.
It's probably around the 9th of April before we exceed our ventilator capacity.
The president has said his administration is doing all it can to meet the needs, but he's also cautioned states to use the federal stockpile just for backup.
To say we're a backup, I mean, the Surgeon General alluded to Pearl Harbor. Can you imagine if Franklin Delano Roosevelt said, I'll be right behind you, Connecticut. Good luck building those paddle ships.
Meantime, the Pentagon is facing new fallout over the dismissal of USS Roosevelt Captain Brett Crozier, who was cheered by his fellow sailors after he wrote a letter complaining the Navy wasn't doing enough to save his disease-stricken crew.
I thought it was terrible what he did.
Defense Secretary Mark Esper said it was a tough decision, but one that he supports.
This is a chain of command issue. It's an issue of trust and confidence in the captain of the ship.
Captain Crozier has reportedly tested positive for coronavirus. Secretary Esper said over half of the ship's crew has been tested, with 155 confirmed cases. Karen?
All right, Nikole, thank you.